Theraflu Nighttime Severe Cold Relief Powder, green tea and citrus, 6 count. Product details. Fight even your worst cold symptoms with Theraflu Nighttime Multi-Symptom Severe Cold Hot Liquid Powder, green tea and citrus flavors. Immerse yourself in the warmth of Theraflu's delicious green tea and citrus cold medicine. Theraflu Nighttime Multi-Symptom Severe Cold Hot Liquid Powder contains Acetaminophen 500 mg, Diphenhydramine HCl 25 mg, and Phenylephrine HCI 10 mg, to help get you back on your feet. This powerful cold medicine helps fight the worst nasal congestion, cough, body aches, sore throat pain, sinus congestion, sneezing, runny nose, headache, and fever. 1 dose of Theraflu Nighttime Multi-Symptom Severe Cold Hot Liquid Powder can be taken every 4 hours while symptoms persist, and do not take more than 5 packets in 24 hours unless directed by a doctor.
To use, dissolve contents of 1 packet into 8 ounces of hot water.
Sip while hot and consume the entire drink within 10 to 15 minutes. The power of Theraflu with warm and soothing effect makes it a perfect nighttime cold medicine. For daytime relief, try Theraflu Daytime Severe Cold and Cough Hot Liquid Powder. Theraflu is here to help you fight your cold symptoms with you every step of the way. For more information about Theraflu Severe Cold Hot Liquid Powder medicine such as warnings and ingredients, please read the information provided and written directly on the packet. Theraflu Nighttime Multi-Symptom Severe Cold Hot Liquid Powder Medicine. Powerful relief from severe cold, cough, and flu symptoms such as sore throat pain, headache, minor body aches and pains, and nasal and sinus congestion. Hot liquid provides a soothing effect. Cold and flu medicine with delicious green tea and citrus flavors. Can be taken every 4 hours while symptoms persist. Do not take more than 5 packets in 24 hours unless directed by a doctor.